Hi everyone, this is Luke. Today I'm going to show you how to show hidden files on Mac. Don't worry, it's super easy. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Hidden files are not normally visible in Mac OS. You might want to access them to delete cache files, old backups, or unnecessary documents from apps. However, be careful never to delete system files or files from the library folder, as this could cause issues with your Mac. That was a bit of theory. Now let's get to the practice. So how to show hidden files on Mac? For first, open Finder. On the left sidebar, under Location, find and click on your Mac device. Open Macintosh HD Finder. Now press the keyboard shortcut Shift plus Command plus period to reveal all hidden files. You'll notice that the hidden files appear fainter than regular ones. To hide them again, simply use the same shortcut Shift plus Command plus period. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe.